The world is entering its most decisive energy transition. Nations are rewiring their economies. Grids are becoming intelligent. Storage is redefining reliability. Electrification is reshaping industry, mobility, and life itself. And at the heart of this transformation stands Bharat, one of the world's fastest growing electricity markets. A nation expanding renewables at unprecedented scale, electrifying opportunity for over 1 billion aspirations, powering the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047.
आज हमारी टोटल इंस्टॉल्ड पावर जनरेशन कैपेसिटी का आधा हिस्सा रिन्यूएबल सोर्स से आता है। हमारी कुल रिन्यूएबल क्षमता आज 250 गीगावाट के ऐतिहासिक आंकड़े को पार कर गई है। साल 2014 में भारत की सोलर पावर कैपेसिटी सिर्फ 2 गीगावाट थी। आज ये करीब 40 गुना बढ़कर 130 गीगावाट हो चुकी है।
Today, India has 500 plus gigawatts of installed capacity, spanning 28 states and 8 union territories. From a power deficit nation to surplus capacity in under a decade, to achieving universal household electrification, powering over 300 million homes.
जो 2014 में जब मोदी जी ने देश की कमान संभाली, उस समय पावर हमारी लगभग 5% डेफिसिट थी। जगह जगह उस 5% के कारण से हमको कट लगाने पड़ते थे, शट ऑफ करना पड़ता था। लेकिन अब 10 साल के बाद हम कह सकते हैं आज हम पावर डेफिसिट नहीं है, बल्कि पावर सफिशिएंट होने के बाद आज हम पावर सरप्लस हो गए हैं और आज हम पावर को एक्सपोर्ट करने लग गए हैं।
Renewable capacity surged from under 40 gigawatts a decade ago to 50 plus gigawatts today. With a clear trajectory toward 500 gigawatts of non-fossil capacity. Today, India operates one of the world's largest synchronized power systems. One nation, one grid, one frequency. Hybrid systems and green energy corridors now integrate variability with stability, orchestrating solar, wind, hydro and thermal power into coordinated balance within a single intelligent grid. Electricity is a catalyst for transformation of farms, villages, cities and ease of living. Through bold reform and disciplined execution, the sector has been re-engineered, financial stability restored, accountability strengthened and distribution foundations have been reinforced.
India's energy transition is not only about reducing the emission, it is about enhancing competitiveness, generating employment, strengthening energy independence and building a resilient economy.
Cross-border interconnections strengthen regional stability and enable shared energy security. From South Asia to global partnerships, India's energy engagement continues to expand. The future of the sector will be driven by emerging solutions, energy storage technologies, pumped hydro storage, nuclear energy expansion, advanced grid technologies and digitalization, and new clean energy innovations. Across the world, electricity and energy dialogues have long shaped the future of power. But today, a new chapter begins. For the first time in South Asia, India steps forward to host a unified electricity summit of global scale. The Bharat Electricity Summit 2026 emerges as a convergence platform for generation, transmission, distribution, storage and digital innovation. More than 25,000 attendees, over 500 exhibiting companies, insights led by 300 plus speakers across 50 plus strategic sessions, bringing together leaders, ministers, utilities, innovators, investors, technology pioneers and academia from across continents. India's electricity transition is opening unprecedented opportunities, offering scale, credibility, innovation, collaboration. It is becoming a global destination for innovation, infrastructure development and long-term investment. Now is the moment to come together. At the Bharat Electricity Summit, ideas will converge, strategies will be debated, partnerships will be forged, investments will be unlocked. Together, shaping the future of electricity. Welcome to the Bharat Electricity Summit 2026.